Beat Plan, also referred as Permanent Journey Plan, is a day-level route plan made for field sales/marketing personnel to make visits to a number of stores at a predefined frequency. A beat plan defines whom to visit, when to visit, based on company's priorities on store's category/segment. Permanent journey planning is done in a way that during a single beat day, a sales rep should be able to service multiple retail locations and cover a certain number of areas. This requires diligent mapping of retail stores and accurate route planning. Absolutely, efficient journey planning for sales representatives is crucial to optimize their time, reduce travel costs, and ensure effective coverage of retail locations. Here are the key steps and considerations for creating a successful permanent journey planning strategy. Retail location mapping. Begin by identifying and mapping all the retail locations that need to be serviced by the sales representatives. Group these locations based on geographical proximity to ensure that nearby stores are visited on the same day. Route planning. Utilize route planning software or tools to create optimized routes for each sales representative. This software takes into account factors like distance, traffic, and time constraints. Prioritize high-potential or high-priority locations to ensure they are covered effectively. Beat days and scheduling. Divide the sales territories into beat days, where each day is dedicated to a specific area. Assign retail locations to each beat day based on their geographical location and the representative's capacity. Efficient time allocation. Determine the amount of time a sales representative should spend at each retail location based on the tasks required, such as restocking, product demonstrations, or meetings. Allocate sufficient time for travel between locations to account for potential delays. Data integration. Integrate real-time traffic and navigation data into the journey planning process to adjust routes on the fly and avoid traffic congestion. Feedback loop. Establish a feedback loop with sales representatives to gather insights about the journey planning process. Regularly review and adjust the routes based on feedback, changes in store locations, or shifts in priorities. Technology and tools. Leverage route optimization software, geographic information systems, GIS, and GPS tracking to facilitate accurate journey planning. Provide sales representatives with mobile apps or devices that offer turn-by-turn navigation and real-time updates. Balancing workload. Ensure that the workload is evenly distributed among sales representatives to avoid overburdening some while leaving others with light schedules. Flexibility. Plan for contingencies and unexpected changes, such as last-minute customer requests or changes in store operating hours. Performance tracking. Implement key performance indicators, KPIs, to track the efficiency and effectiveness of the journey planning strategy. Analyze metrics like the number of visits per day, sales conversion rates, and travel costs to assess the strategy's success. Continuous improvement. Regularly review and refine the journey planning process based on performance data, feedback, and changing business needs. By combining careful mapping of retail locations, advanced route planning tools, and effective scheduling, businesses can ensure that their sales representatives maximize their efficiency and deliver exceptional service to retail locations during each beat day.